Morning everyone, this is Zoe from Zoe Loves Gardening. I've just popped on here to talk to you about roses and something you can be doing in your garden right now. So roses are quite hungry, quite thirsty, competitive plants, and they don't like competition from other plants around the base of the plant itself. So two things you can do. One is to clear the base of your roses. So if I just turn the camera around onto this rose bed and look at this one near the edge here, I try around the base of roses to leave about a hand's distance right round the rose as much as possible, to give them as much space as they can. For good airflow. This will help reduce diseases and pests, and the other reason is to enable the rose to get the moisture and the feed it needs to grow healthily. So the second thing, once you've weeded your plants and got your roses up and running, the second thing is to feed them themselves, and there are three main types of feed that you can get. I've got two examples here, but there is a third one. So the first one is something like Top Rose, which is a proprietary make, but it's a rose and shrub feed, and it comes in a granular form. And you literally take a handful, or read the packet and see what it says for your particular type of rose feed, and sprinkle it around the base of the rose, and then either the rain or you should water it in. And the second kind I've got here is simply homemade compost. Really nice, really friable, dark, meaning it's got lots of nutrients in it, homemade compost. You can sprinkle that around the base of the rose, or you can put well-rotted manure onto the rose. Any of those things will help your rose over the growing season. What I'm going to do this morning is actually sprinkle a little bit of the granular feed and then cover the feed with some well-rotted garden compost, just a light sprinkling. Make sure your compost or your manure doesn't actually touch the base of the rose, as you don't want it rotting the plant or affecting the plant in any way. The third kind of feed you can get is a liquid feed. I haven't got that here on me at the moment, but liquid feeds do the same thing as the granular or the manure, so they'll have nutrients. They may even have some sort of moisture retention built into them, depending what they are. If you can, I would recommend going organic, so check the packaging before you buy your feed, and get out there, have a look at your roses, weed them, feed them. Enjoy!